Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. On last week we have learned multiplication. That's our topic was understanding multiplication and we have learned multiplying by 2, skip count by 2, doubles, multiplying by 5, skip count by 5, multiplying by 10 and multiplying by 1, multiplying by 0. But today's our topic is that is chapter 5 exercise 5 numbers up to 999. On last days we have learned that there are forming of numbers up to 999, but today also we have learned one time again forming numbers up to 999. You can see here that given some pictures here. In picture you can see here that there are 400. That means there are 4 big blocks. Okay, and in each big block there are 100 small blocks. So they are group of hundreds. Okay, so there are 4 big blocks. So there will be 400s. And then after there are 2 blocks that are group of tens that makes from 10 small blocks. Okay, so 400 plus 2 tens equal plus 5 ones. 5 ones means there are 5 small blocks. Okay, and this can be written as 425. Why? Because there are on ones place there are 5 and on tens place there is 2 and on 100 place is 4. So you have to first read the hundreds and after that you have to read the last 2 digits. That is, you have to read firstly 400 and then after last digit you have to read, that is 25, 425. So read it aloud as 425. After that there is next picture. You can see here that there are 2 blocks, 2 big blocks, and in each big block there are 100 small blocks, plus that is called 200, plus one group of 10 blocks. Okay, that is 110, and plus 7 ones, that is 7 small blocks, that is 7 ones, and this can be written as 217 because on ones place there is 7, on tens place there is 1, and on 100 place there is 2. So you have to read it aloud as 217. And after that there is an example. Next example is there are 600. That means there are 6 big blocks of 100 small blocks. In each big block there are 100 small blocks, so they make 600s, plus there is nothing on tens place. So after that there is 8 ones. That means 8 small blocks are there. So we can write it numbers 608, and on tens place there will be nothing, and on ones place there will be 8, and on 100 place there will be 6. That make it 608. You have to read aloud as 608. Okay, so come on next page. Next topic, that is our what will you get if you add 1 to 99. What will you get if you add 1 to 99? If you add 1 to any number, you have to find this number successor. That means if you add in 1 in 998, then you will get next number 999. Okay, now 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Yes, you are right, because 999 is the largest 3-digit number, and the largest 2-digit number is 99, and the largest 1-digit number is 9. Okay, come on, I can do it. There is some examples you can see here that you have to do. I can do it. Read these numbers aloud and write them. You can see here that there is 451. Okay, and you know that first you have to read the 100 place, and after that you have to read the last 2-digit number. Okay, so we will write it 400, and after that on last two digit, that is 51. So 451, spelling of 451, FOUR 4, HUNDRED 400, FIFTY 50, ONE 1 51, 451. Okay, and after that there is 143. 3 is on ones place, 4 is on tens place, and 1 is on hundred place. So firstly you have to read the 100, that is 100, and after that you have to read the last two digit number, that is 43. So 143, spelling of 143, ONE 1 HUNDRED 100, FOURTY 40, THREE 3, 143. And in third, you can see here that given 372, 3 is on 100 place, 7 is on tens place, and 2 is on ones place. So you have to read the 100 first, that is 300, and after that you have to read the last two digit numbers, that is 72. Okay, so there will be 372, THREE 3, HUNDRED 100, SCVENTY 70, TWO 72. Okay, and after that is 583. You can see here that on ones place there is 3, on tens place there is 8, and on 100 place there is 5. So there will be, you have to read the 100 place first, that is 500, and after that you have to read last two digit number, that is 83. So 583, FIVE 5, HUNDRED 100, EIGHT 80, THREE 383, 583. And the next one is 711, that is 711. One is on ones place and one is also tens place, and 7 is on 100 place, that's make it 711. So you have to first read the 100, that is 700, and after that you have to read last two digit number, that is 11. So 711, SEVEN 7, HUNDRED 100, 711, ELEVEN 11. Okay, and the next is 901. So you know that you have to first read a 100 place, that is 900, and after that last two digit number, that is 1. Okay, so 901, there is not anything on tens place. And NINE 9, HUNDRED 100, ONE 1 901. And there is a subject link, you can see here that given, Venu saw dustbin of two colors at a party. After the party was over, people put 250 banana leaves, 17 cups, and 13 paper napkins into the green dustbin. They put 83 plastic spoons, 27 plastic glasses, and 43 juice bags into the blue dustbin. Which bin had more garbage? And discuss the need for two garbage. Okay, so you can see here that Venus saw dustbin of two colors at a party. There were two dustbin, that was, one was green and another was, one was green and another was blue. Okay, so you have to find, one was green dustbin and another was blue dustbin. Okay, and in green dustbin 250 banana leaves. Okay, and 17 cups and 30 paper napkins. Okay, that it make it 070751639 that make it 297. Okay, and in blue dustbin there are 83 plastic spoons, 27 plastic glasses, and 43 juices pack. Okay, 3 7 10 10 3 13, 1 carry, 8 to 10 10 for 14, 1 15. There are 297 items in green dustbin, and in blue dustbin there are 153 items. Okay, so you can see here that green bin had more garbage. Okay, that is 297 is more than 153. So green bin had more garbage than blue bin. Okay, and discuss the need for two dustbins. You have to use eco-friendly garbage for green, you have to put garbage that are eco-friendly, as like paper, peels of vegetables, peels of fruits, and as like green, you have to put in green bin, green dustbin, and which are recyclable, made from plastic, that is plastic, thermocol, and polythene, etc. You have to put in blue dustbin. Okay, thank you. And after that there is exercise 5.1. You can see here that given exercise 5.1, you have to, after the wolf run away, Granny Red Riding Hood sit down to play. Granny is making number card. Help the little girl to write the numbers on the cards. You have to write the numbers from 201 to 300. Okay, so you can see here that 201 is given, and after that you have to write 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210. As continued, you have to write 201 to 300. Okay, and now come on next question, that is question number B. You have to tick the set of blocks that show the number in the cloud. Take the sets of blocks that show the number in the cloud. You can see here that first number is 456. You can see here that is ticked, which have 4 big blocks, and in each big block there are 100 small blocks, and after that there is 5 block that make from 10 small block, and after that there is 6 single block, so that make it 456. Okay, and after that there is second question. In first picture you can see here that there are 2 blocks, and there are 2 blocks of 100 that made from 100. There are 100 small blocks in each big block, and there are 7 single block that make it 207. So first picture will be second. Okay, first picture will be is right picture for 207 right blocks. Okay, in third you can see here that in first picture there are 7 blocks. Okay, and 7 big block, and in each big block there are 100 small block, so that make it 700. And after that there is 9 single block that make it 700 plus 9, that make it 709. So that's not true, that's not right block. Okay, after that there is 7 big block, and in each big block there are 100 small blocks, and after that there is 9 blocks that made from tens, that means there are 10 big blocks, there are 10 small blocks in each 9 blocks. Okay, that make it 790. Now you have to come on exercise C, write a number. You can see here that you have to write a number. In first you can see here that there are 300s, because there are 3 big blocks that make it 300, and in each big block there are 100 small blocks, and after that there are 2 tens that make from, there are 2 groups of tens block, so that make it 2 tens plus 5 ones that make from 5 single blocks, that make it 325. Okay, what will make 325? Now that is on ones place there is 5, on tens place there is 2, and on 100 place there is 3, that is make it 325. In second there are 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, there are 500, 5 big blocks, and in each big block there are 100 small blocks, so make it 500. And after that there is 3 groups of tens blocks. Okay, that make is 3 tens, and after that there is 1 single block, so that make it 531. On ones place there is 1, on tens place there is 3, and on 100 place there is 5. In next you can see here that 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 big blocks, and in each big block there are 100 small blocks, and after that there is 1 group of 10 that made from 10 small block, so 110. make it 110, and after that there is two ones that made from two small blocks that make it 512. Okay, in third there will be 510 12, sorry, 512. On ones place there is 1, on tens place there is 1, on ones place there is 2, and on tens place there is 1, and on hundred place there is 5. Okay, next write a number. You have to write a number 536. 536, the number will be 536, 536, 536. Okay, second 490, that is 90, 90, 490, so there will be 490, 490. Third 693, 693, that makes it 693, because 3 is on ones place, 9 is on hundred place, and 3 is on 6 on hundred place. Okay, that make it 693. And after that on fourth 806, there will be 806, because 6 is on ones place, 0 is on hundred place, and 8 is on hundred place. 0 is on tens place and 100 is on hundred place. Okay, so there will be 806. E, which number has question number E, which number has 500, 6, 10, 9 ones? That will be 569, because there is 500, 6 tens and 9 ones. 500 makes is 500, 6 tens make it 60, and 9 ones make it 9. That will be 569. Second 400, 3 tens and 0 ones. 400 make it 400, 3 tens make it 30, and 0 tens make it 0. That will be 430. Okay, third one is 700 plus 0 tens plus 3 ones. 700 make it 700, 0 tens make it 0, and 3 ones make it 3. That is 703. 900, fourth question number 4, 900, 0 tens and 0 ones. There is 900, and 0 tens make 0, and 0 ones make 0. That is 900. Okay, in next question F, mark these numbers on the number line. Mark these numbers on the number line. You have to mark this number on the number line. You can see here that there is given number line 420 to 460, and in between 420 to 430 there is 421, 422, 423, 425, 426, 427, 428, 429, 430. Okay, so there is 421 to 429 between 420 to 430. So you have to choose the number 437. 437 will be between 430 and 440, and 452 will be between 450 to 460, and 432 will be between 430 to 440, 455 between 450 to 460, 427 will present on 420 to 430, 448 will be on 440 to 450, and 422 will be present on 420 to 430, and 442 will be present on 440 to 450. If you have any problems, you can see my PDF that is sent in your group, and you have to, that is your homework, you have to exercise ABCD E F in your CW copy. Thank you.